And good morning, Facebook. Second live video in as many hours. What's going on? So we've done a bit of jiggery pokery, and we've managed to get to the meat and potatoes of this Mercedes now. I'll just show you. So we've got, this is the EGR cooler, the vacuum capsule. So the vacuum capsule, vacuum reservoir goes on top of this, and then this is bolted down, and it's bolted down into against there. So really nice and easy bolts to get to. You got to have a few spanners. You can see the inlet manifold there in black, and then the EGR or exhaust gas recirculation pipe there, the silver one on the right hand side. So what happens is those gases are diverted and controlled through that lever there, which directs exhaust gases that are burnt, the burnt fuel, exhaust gases go into air, they cool down and then put back into the engine for burning again to reduce oxides of nitrogen. Really naff system. It clogs everything up, it's horrible. And if we can look here, I'll take you around the other side. This is what one looks like inside. It's like a little radiator. Can you see it? And all those carbon deposits built up on it, all nice and crusty and yucky, and you see one side's considerably more dirty than the other. Yeah, really nice. And for those of you that are wondering about the comment yesterday, this having two map sensors or two boost pressure sensors, we got a pressure sensor there, and then the other one is hidden down there. There it is. You can see it there when my torch is highlighting it. The other one's hidden down there. Then next to it, just below it, is what we call the changeover valve. You see the little vacuum pipe going to it down there. Little changeover valve. Really horrible naff system, dirty engine, absolutely foul they are. And then obviously you got your turbo control solenoid tucked in behind this cover down there, going to the turbo, which is down there. Yeah, really yucky. Member Zoom's up and running now, so for any of our members that want to jump into the Zoom, ask any questions or get a run through, the Zoom's up and running now. We've got 3 cameras running in the hub. There's the boost gauge we mentioned, your boost and vacuum gauge we mentioned yesterday from ADS Automotive. Fantastic gauge that. And that's about it really. So if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's not, happy birthday anyway. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Have a great Thursday.